In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this device. So as you can see, currently I do have button navigation. So we've got the recent apps button, back button and home button. To change it, to use gestures instead, just open the settings, then find and select display. Here, locate navigation bar. And now you can smoothly change it to gestures right here. So from now on, you can use gestures only. So just slide up once to go back to your home screen. Scroll from left to right or from right to left to go back to previous page. And if you'd like to check all the recently used apps, just slide up and hold for a while. And that's it. So this is how you can manage navigation bar here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.